Guys, here you can see the college, College Hockey. You can see our lab. This is our lab, College Hockey's lab, and you can see the different projects of biology. You can see this is our project, Mr. Atallah and Naveed and all the group members. You can see the project about ecosystem. This is about ecosystem, and this different environments. This here herbs. You can see certain fantastic, and you can see here the city. This is about different cities, and this is about different homes. Atallah Mr. Panto. Such a fantastic guy, good work. This is about different, you can see the roads, different vehicles such as motorbikes, you can see the trains, and you can see the cars, you can see motorcycles, you can see a parking area. This is about, you can see, take it please, and this is about, you can see the water, okay, pond, and this is about forest, you can see the different animals here, and you can see trees, and this is about, you can see desert. This is all about ecosystem, the different environments. Thank you. And now I'm coming to Mr. Sahibur Rahman. This is the owner. You can see the structure of heart, such a fantastic. Good work, Mr. And you can see this neuron, Mr. Basit Khan, such a fantastic guy. Good work, Mr. And this is Mr. Omar Shah, such a fantastic walk. Good work, Mr. About digestive system. Good work. And here, Mr. Imran Hazawi, you can see the lymphatic system, such a fantastic alignment. And at the end you can see Mr. Rosetta, certain fantastic, good one, Mr. Rosetta, about, you can see water cycle, and this is all about the bubbling college. Thank you very much.